Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can record phone calls on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. So in order to do that, we need to actually download a third-party app that allows you to do so. So we're gonna type call recording, and in my case I'm gonna download this one, Cube ACR. So I'm gonna press install, and of course we need to wait a couple of seconds to download and install this app. Now there's lots of things that you need to do for the customization, not customization, but to set up this app. So let me go and try to help you. So first we're gonna press next over here, and we need to grant some permissions. So we're gonna choose while using the app for all of them, or allow. And then once we are here, we have the option to disable power optimization for Cube to make it work a little bit better. And in some cases, this might also be the reason why the app might not work. So in this case, we're gonna press OK, press allow. Geotagging, we don't really need that. We can just press no thanks. And let's press OK, got it. Over here we have some ad, we can press this cross, and one more time. And now we need to download the helper in order to make it work even better, to make it to work around to record phone and VoIP calls and work it properly with the latest Google Play policy changes. So let's just press install helper. Now over here we can choose to download helper.apk, so press this option and then press download anyway. And now let's wait for the app to download it, to let the browser download the app. And once it is downloaded, we want to press open. Now if you see this message that for your security your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from the source, we need to go to settings, and then we need to select allow from the source and then press install. Now we're gonna install the helper. Once it is installed, press open. And over here, go next, grant permissions one more time. There we go. Now over here we have to go to accessibility. So first we need to go to accessibility and then go to downloaded apps. And over here we should have the restricted settings for the Cube ACR app connector. Even though this is the case for pretty much every device, we still need to go over here and tap on this option. Then we need to go back. Then we need to go to apps. Over here we need to find the Cube ACR helper. Then tap these three dots in the top right corner. If you don't do the previous step with accessibility, then you will not have these three dots. So tap these three dots and then allow restrict settings. Let's verify ourselves, and there we go, restricted settings allowed. So now we can go back and then go back to accessibility one more time, downloaded apps, and let's turn this option on. Press allow, and now we can press OK, allow, and there we go. The ACR helper setup is complete, so we can open Cube ACR, and now everything should be set up. So now in order to use it, we can also tap these three lines over here in order to find some settings, like we have the recording settings and so on and so forth. We also have the auto start recording, which you might want to turn on or off depending if you want to always record or not. In my case, I'm gonna leave this on. So now we're gonna go back, and now if someone calls us, after a few seconds we should start recording the call. Alright, so there we go, I have started this call, and now if I try to open notifications, then over here we have the information that Cube ACR enables automatic call recording, and it is in progress now. And now if I end the call, then after a few seconds those notifications should be gone, and we can go back to Cube ACR. We can open the app, and over here we should be able to find the recording, and we can play it and listen to the whole recording. We can also tap on these three dots in order to find some additional options. So remember to go through these settings in order to set it up just exactly as you wish it to be. Some of these options are premium, but those free settings should be just enough for you to record calls. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.